The Mysterious Island. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to ABC Master English Academy, where learning English is fun and exciting. Today, I have a thrilling story for you called The Mysterious Island. It's filled with adventure, mystery, and a lot of new words to learn. Ready? Let's dive in. Emily was a curious girl who loved exploring new places. One day, she found an old map in her attic that led to a mysterious island. Without thinking twice, she decided to find this island. As she approached, the island looked quiet and strange, but Emily was not afraid.
This place looks so different from what I imagined. I wonder what secrets it holds.
Emily walked through the thick trees, hearing strange noises all around her. Suddenly, she noticed a path made of stones. She decided to follow it.
This path must lead somewhere important. I need to see where it goes.
As Emily followed the path, she saw unusual plants and animals. She felt like she was in another world. After walking for a long time, Emily found a cave. It was dark and cold, but something inside her told her to go in.
I wonder what's inside this cave. I have to be brave.
Emily lit a torch and stepped into the cave. Inside, she saw ancient drawings on the walls and heard water dripping from the ceiling. As Emily explored deeper, she found a secret chamber filled with gold coins, jewels, and old artifacts. She couldn't believe her eyes.
This must be the treasure that the map was talking about. But who left it here?
Emily knew that the treasure was valuable, but she also knew that it belonged to someone else. She decided to leave it there and only take the map back as a memory of her adventure. Emily left the cave and made her way back to the boat. She felt proud of herself for finding the treasure, but even prouder for doing the right thing by leaving it behind.
This has been the adventure of a lifetime. I'll never forget the mysterious island and its secrets.
And that's the end of our story, The Mysterious Island. What did you think? Did you learn any new words or phrases today? Remember, the best adventures are the ones that teach us something new. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye for now.